What if I told you that right now, not in 10 years, not in some lab, drones are already inspecting power plants, delivering packages to your door, mapping entire cities, finding missing people in the dark, and navigating underground mines, all without a single human pilot? The drone industry just crossed a line that most people haven't noticed yet. AI isn't just helping these machines fly better, it's replacing the pilot entirely. And the 10 drones I'm about to show you are proof that autonomous flight isn't coming, it's already here. I'm counting down from 10 to 1, and by the time we get to number 1, you'll understand exactly where this technology is headed and why it changes everything. Let's get into it. Number 10. AI Inspection Drone. Most drones need a skilled pilot. The Skydio X10 doesn't. This drone was built for one purpose: to go where humans can't and inspect what humans miss. Power plants, bridges, oil rigs, construction sites. It navigates autonomously around complex structures using onboard AI, avoiding obstacles in real time without any pilot input. But here's what makes it genuinely impressive. It also carries thermal imaging. So it's not just flying itself, it's seeing things the human eye can't detect. Heat leaks, structural anomalies, hidden damage. Companies using the Skydio X10 are cutting inspection costs by up to 80% while getting better data than traditional methods ever delivered. This is what AI-powered eyes in the sky actually look like. Number 9. Autonomous Delivery Drone. Most people think drone delivery is still a future concept. Zipline already proved them wrong. The P2 Zip isn't a prototype. It's running active commercial delivery networks right now, across the US, Africa, and parts of Asia. Medical supplies, food, retail products. It flies autonomously to your location, hovers, and lowers your package on a thin tether with pinpoint precision. No runway needed, no pilot needed, no delay. What separates Zipline from every other delivery drone is reliability. It's already completed over 1 million deliveries in real-world conditions. Rain, wind, complex terrain. Not test flights, actual deliveries to actual people. This isn't the future of last-mile logistics, it's the present, and most people still haven't heard of it. Number 8. Search and Rescue Drone. When someone goes missing, every minute counts. The DJI Matrice 4T is built for exactly that moment. This drone is the tool emergency responders are now deploying in the field, and it's changing how search and rescue operations work. Thermal cameras detect human body heat through dense forest, darkness, and heavy fog. AI-assisted detection flags potential survivors automatically, so operators don't have to manually scan every inch of footage. It covers terrain in minutes that would take ground teams hours. The Matrice 4T operates in conditions that ground crews simply can't. Cliffs, flooded areas, collapsed structures. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't lose visibility in the dark. Lives that would have been lost are now being found. That's not a feature, that's the entire point. The drones you just saw? That's only the beginning. The next 7 on this list get significantly more advanced, and a lot more surprising. If you're not subscribed to Smart Invention yet, hit that button now. You don't want to miss what's coming. Number 7. AI Mapping Drone. Accurate maps used to take months. The WingtraOne GEN II does it in hours. This isn't a toy or a consumer drone. It's a professional-grade mapping machine used by mining companies, construction firms, and large infrastructure projects that need survey-accurate data fast. It takes off vertically like a helicopter, then tilts forward and flies like a fixed-wing aircraft, covering massive areas in a single flight. The AI-assisted flight planning handles the complex part automatically. Route optimization, data collection, precision imaging, all done with minimal operator input. The output? Highly accurate 3D maps and terrain models that engineers actually build from. What used to require expensive aircraft and weeks of processing now lands on your desktop the same day. That's not an upgrade. That's a complete reinvention of how we map the world. Number 6. Military Recon Drone. Most drone technology eventually finds its way into military hands. The Ghost-X was built for that world from day one. Anduril Industries isn't a traditional defense contractor. It's a Silicon Valley company that thinks like a tech startup, and the Ghost-X reflects that. This autonomous reconnaissance drone uses onboard AI to track, identify, and classify objects without waiting for human commands. It processes its environment in real time and makes decisions independently. That changes everything about how intelligence and surveillance missions work. No radio signals that can be jammed, no pilot that can be fatigued, no reaction time lost waiting for human approval. The Ghost-X sees, thinks, and acts faster than any human operator ever could. This is what AI looks like when national security is the use case, and it's already operational.
Number 5. Swarm drone system. One drone is impressive. Dozens of drones thinking together? That's a different category entirely. Red Cat Holdings' Teal Swarm technology coordinates multiple drones simultaneously, sharing information, dividing tasks, and covering ground at a scale no single drone ever could. They communicate with each other in real time, adapting to changes in the environment without waiting for human instruction. Think about what that means practically. A search area that would take one drone 3 hours gets covered in minutes. A surveillance perimeter that needs constant monitoring runs itself. The military has already taken notice, so have disaster response agencies and large-scale security operations. The future of drones isn't one drone getting smarter, it's thousands of them working as one. Number 4. Drone in a box. What if a drone could do its entire job? Launch, inspect, recharge, and report back without a single human on site. That's exactly what the DJI Dock 3 makes possible. You install the dock at a fixed location. From that point, the drone inside launches autonomously on a set schedule or on demand, completes its mission, returns, recharges, uploads all collected data, and waits for the next deployment. No operator, no technician, no babysitting. Energy companies are using it to monitor pipelines. Construction firms are tracking site progress daily. Security operations are running continuous perimeter patrols, all remotely, all automatically. This is what fully autonomous infrastructure looks like in practice. Not a drone that flies itself, a complete system that runs itself. The era of the human drone operator is quietly becoming optional. Number 3. GPS-denied navigation drone. Every drone on this list so far has one thing in common. They rely on GPS. The ExynAero doesn't need it. This is the drone built for the places where GPS signals don't reach: underground mines, collapsed tunnels, dense indoor industrial facilities, environments that are dangerous, dark, and completely cut off from satellite signals. The ExynAero uses LiDAR and onboard AI to build a real-time 3D map of its surroundings while it's flying through them. It figures out where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go, entirely on its own. No signal, no pilot, no map provided in advance. Mining companies are deploying it to inspect areas too hazardous for human workers. First responders are using it inside collapsed structures to find survivors. When every other drone goes blind, this one keeps flying. Number 2. Heavy lift autonomous drone. Every drone we've covered so far is built for speed, precision, or intelligence. The Black Swan is built for scale. This is a cargo drone, and not in the small package delivery sense. The Black Swan can transport hundreds of kilograms over distances that would shock you. Designed to operate like a small autonomous aircraft, it's targeting the logistics gap between expensive air freight and slow ground shipping. The business case is simple and massive. Same-day delivery between cities. Supply chains that don't depend on road infrastructure. Emergency cargo drops to areas cut off by floods or conflict. Dronamics is positioning the Black Swan as the freight network of the future. Autonomous, affordable, and already in early commercial operations across Europe. This isn't a gadget. It's a logistics revolution with wings. Number 1. The most advanced AI drone of 2026. Every drone on this list does one thing exceptionally well. The Skydio X10D does all of it. This is the drone that represents where the entire industry is heading, and it's already here. Onboard AI computing is powerful enough to make complex decisions in real time. Autonomous navigation that doesn't flinch in GPS-denied environments. Thermal imaging that sees through darkness and harsh weather. Obstacle avoidance so advanced it can thread through complex structures without a single pilot input. It doesn't just fly itself, it thinks for itself. And the Skydio X10D is the clearest proof that the age of the AI drone isn't approaching. It's already landed.
10 drones, 10 completely different missions. One undeniable conclusion. AI autonomy isn't a feature anymore, it's the foundation. Every industry that moves things, monitors things, or maps things is being rebuilt around this technology right now. And most people are only just starting to pay attention. That's exactly why this channel exists. If this video opened your eyes to where drone technology is actually headed, share it with someone who needs to see it. And if you want to stay ahead of the innovations that are quietly changing the world, subscribe to Smart Invention. We find the breakthroughs before they go mainstream. The next video is already coming, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.